how does it feel to wake up in the morning and get some?
Well, it's absolutely motivating. Wake up in the morning is not a problem. I've done that all my life as an athlete and performing for the country. But seeing the people and the atmosphere here in Gujarat is absolutely energetic, absolutely fantastic. The Fit India movement is building, growing from strength to strength every year, with more people coming into the fold and trying to make this a mass movement. And fantastic movement to engage the youth with a background of sports. Playing some sport to be fit is the best way to be fit as well. So I think it's absolutely brilliant. I started playing pickleball these days. So yeah, it's been an interesting journey after sport.
Also, the theme for today is like the Commonwealth that we'll be hosting in 2030. So Commonwealth is not a part of this year's contingent, but if you see that Ahmedabad is going in facilities from strength to strength in terms of shooting. So you expect that the one sport that you have also been associated with for a long time brought glory to it. And one of the biggest medal contingent for India in the Commonwealth. You want how badly you want it to be a part of the Commonwealth again?
Oh, it is a part of the next Commonwealth Games. Of course, it's not a part of this Commonwealth Games, unfortunately. But I remember as a young athlete in 2006 when we were preparing for the Commonwealth Games, I just got into the team as a junior for Manchester 2022. And then finally participated in 2026. It was quite an exciting time because we look forward to participating in the Commonwealth Games. It's the first step for any athlete to start their preparation towards the Olympics, and I think it adds a lot of the game's flavor, and you understand because you play the nationals, you play respective World Cups and other events in respective sport, but to see the entire Commonwealth fraternity come together with all sports together, being in the Games Village, going to the dining hall, it's all a big thing. You get inspired to see other great athletes as well. My first Olympics, I remember sharing the table with the likes of Martina Navratilova and Mary Pierce and so on. So you just really awe of them, and it really is motivating and inspiring to perform to the best of your abilities. So I think fantastic movement, and I think the Commonwealth is growing from strength to strength. And in India, the buzz around Commonwealth Games is very high, especially now coming to India in 2030. Fantastic moment.
And also going forward, obviously Commonwealth we talked about it's not a part for the Glasgow, but definitely part for the Asias that will be playing. How many medals you can expect, because obviously the contingent is strong. Manu is there, but there's a lot of youngsters coming up. With the recent as well in the World Cups, World Championship, we have done pretty well. So how strong you see the contingent for the shooting perspective, and other than that as well, the other sports, because you have been...
Well, the shooting contingent is coming from a place of power after performances at the Paris Olympics, and I think the preparations are just starting for the next cycle with the Asian Games coming up. Of course, there's been restriction in terms of the number of participants for the Asian Games, but I'm sure that the team will be selected in the best way possible so that the best athlete gets to participate, and it increases our medal chances, and we're looking quite strong. Of course, Aichi Nagoya is going to be a challenge logistically because you'll have multiple clusters, and from the perspective of organization and from the perspective of managing athletes' movements and all, we're making plans to kind of have that done very smoothly, and look forward to having a good games from organizational perspective and from participation perspective. And I talk as an athlete, I think we are one of the best in Asia now, and hoping for the best medal haul this year.
Also, last question from my end, that after Paris, the most limelight will be now, because obviously after Paris we missed out many medals by just a fair margin. Obviously, Manu got 2 medals, we got 3 medals in different categories there. So, what can have been done to miss that what we did last time in Paris?
So the entire preparation, long-term development plan happens from Olympics to Olympics, and the idea is to slowly build momentum and then go down and then slowly build it up again to peak at the Olympic Games. So I'm sure that the coaches of various sports and the high performance managers and directors have planned in such a way that in sports which we are participating in the Commonwealth Games, they will have a certain plan, because immediately after the Commonwealth Games you will have the Asian Games. So that will have to kind of peak and then go back down before the Olympics. Of course, the most important is the World Championship. World Championship is a true test of the kind of medals that we are going to win in any competition, and that is where the maximum competition is, and that will be the true litmus test of how India's preparation is for LA 28.